Data Repository Platform. The idea behind UseMe: get transnational free access to the newest and most advanced tools for soft matter research. For example, Irina and Chris need to use a microscope. They are preparing an experiment. Irina uses the UseMe Data Repository Platform to support and extend their data. The DRP offers a secure platform for data storage and retrieval accessible from every device. It makes data available to a wider scientific community and fosters new collaborations. The DRP is accessible via the UseMe website. Log in to use your UseMe account with your username and password. Once your proposal is accepted, a related folder will be created on the DRP within 24 hours. Its content is shared among all the users involved in the proposal. Inside it, you will find 2 subfolders. The Data to Share subfolder will be accessible to all UseMe users after a 2-year embargo. The private subfolder will never be public. You can share your files or an entire folder by creating a link or inviting people via emails. Manage the permissions of every user or stop data sharing whenever you want. Collaborate in real time on documents, spreadsheets and presentations. The content of the document is saved in real time. Upload your files with a simple click. File names and contents can be found using the search bar. From the DRP, you can reach NFFA Europe IDRP without any further authentication. Here, you can retrieve all the open datasets. Keep your device synchronized with the UseMe server by using the desktop client. Clients are available for Linux, Mac and Windows operating systems and in various app stores. When you fire up the Nextcloud app, enter drp.useme-h2020.eu as server address. Then, log in with your UseMe username and password. For the moment, skip folder configuration. Now, pick a local folder to sync with the server. Then, select a remote destination folder or create a new one. Now the files of your local folder are synchronized, safe and retrievable from every device. Remember to enable Nextcloud to launch on system start. The Nextcloud client is visible as an icon in the system tray. A click on the icon provides the menu. Be careful. If you delete a file from the DRP, it will be deleted also from the local folder and vice versa. If you accidentally delete a file, you can find it in the Deleted Files section in the DRP.